Right, morning everyone. Early o'clock, 5:25 in the morning. My favourite cruise ship is coming in, and it's the Regal Princess. I love it for the simple reason it reminds me of being a kid. The horn of this ship is the love boat. It's coming in very fast. Okay, so I'm going to have to get on you with the camera, and I'll see you in a minute. Right, we're on a big camera, and it's coming in hot. This is a biggie. Okay. Let me just raise my tripod a bit so I'm a bit more comfortable. Right, this has got 3,500 people on it, all coming to spend money in the city, which I'm happy about. Look at this beast. Right, I want to have a look on a bridge first, don't I? Before that passes. Can you see anyone? Someone there, and yeah, there's someone over there. Okay, let's just come out a touch so I can have a good look. I don't think there's many people on the balconies. Yeah, so this has got godparents, and the godparents of this are, well, normally it's a godmother in it. Yeah, there's one there. Yeah, it's normally a godmother, and this has got godparents, and the godparents, this is the cast of Love Boat from the 80s. Which is brilliant. I don't think I sounded torn this early in the morning, but I'll be back later because I do like this ship. You know, it reminds me of Sunday nights. I'll be back before school. You know, Night Rider, Fall Guy, Bullseye, Super Gran, everything. Just reminds me of everything. My mum brushing my hair, dragging a comb through my hair, or a brush through my hair, straight after my bath. I had a lot of hair. I'm just zooming in to see what if there's anything up there that I can focus on. Let's go back down this way. I say it's coming in really fast. Let's have a good look up there. Not many people about, is there? Are they all dying to get off the ship? Come and see our wonderful city. Regal Princess. Did we get the ship's name on the side? I haven't got the ship's name on the side yet, have I? There we are. It's proper boat looking, this as well. It hasn't turned around, don't know why. Can I see in your cabin, please, mate? Yeah, I love this one. Just for the nostalgia of it. I will hang around and see if it does sound this horn. Because when you hear it blast the Love Boat theme, it's brilliant. Yeah, look at this. It's a great shot, that. That's almost in now. I wonder why it hasn't turned around like the others do. It's a chilly morning as well, you know, the time. It's freezing down here at the moment. The water's dead choppy. That's because the boat's come in and pushed all the water over. Absolutely no one to look at. That it is. It's in. Yeah, I say my favourite cruise ship. For the nostalgia reasons of it. You know, it even blasts the Love Boat theme on its own. It's not doing this too early in the morning. I'll be back down later when it's leaving. We'll do it later. So it doesn't look as big as the one that had 3,100 passengers on, but this has got 3,500 passengers on. So right, so it's later on now. It's now 3:25. Since I was here this morning, I've been to work and everything. Come back down here, and I want to try and catch the ship's horn. You know, there's a Mersey ferry leaving, you can see that. So I've already done a video of it coming past it on the way here. But the size, you know when you see it going right past it, the size difference is unreal. So that looks nothing there. Now look at this video I've just put on. It's going past, it's coming from Liverpool to Seacombe, and it looks tiny on there. Bear in mind, these ferries can hold 270 people. And just look at the size difference. I think the maximum capacity of the Regal Princess is 4,000, something like that, around that area. I think there's 3,500 on at the moment. So I'm now waiting for the horns to go off. Or the horn. There it is, the Love Boat. Love that tune. As it takes me back to being a kid in the 80s. Ma washing my hair. Or brushing my hair. I'm washing it. She used to wash my hair for me. With Vosine shampoo. Yeah. Sunday nights, night before I'm back in school. Just them memories. And that tune just takes me right back. So yeah. That's why this ship's my favourite. Yeah, it's moving now. But you know what? I literally pressed stop on the thing so I could see how much time I had, memory card wise, how much space. Because I didn't know how long I'd be recording for. As soon as I turned it off, it started playing the tune. Fuming. But I played it twice, so it's alright. I can get away with it. It's turning around now, then it's going to get off. This is going to be back quite a few times anyway, so plenty of opportunities. So let's say 10 minutes after it's due to leave, it'll play its horn. I think it's coming back, I don't know, 4 or 5 times this year. This. Right, let's watch it turn around and get off.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea. That's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. That's where you find me. Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that
there it is behind me sailing off. Perfect opportunity for me to end my video. Just being jet skis chasing it in the water. They're still there, I don't know if you see them, just over there. Yeah, so let me know if this brings back any memories for you like it does for me. If you're an 80s kid like myself, it might do. Even if you're older and you must love boats in the 80s, let me know. Apart from that, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, that's more important. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.